Okay, it's about 90 degrees here. Was it June 27th, 28th, 2022? This is B17-5 versus a real 5-horse air compressor. I got a 5-horse, 230-volt single-phase Baldor electric motor. Over here, it's a real one. All cast iron Kellogg-Amercan pump, 2-cylinder, 2-stage. I got a Beta, engineering Beta B17. Installed it here at home last night. First one in the wild. First one outside of Midnight Solar's factories. So we're going to see how Mr. B17 holds up starting this air compressor. Now we did a run up from no pressure all the way to 130 PSI with the B17. No problems. Now we are at about 98 pounds in the tank. We're going to flip that switch right there and see how Mr. B17 does. Here we go. No problem. So our inrush was about 114 amps on the AC side. We're pulling about 75 to 90 amps on the battery DC side, 54 volts. Now, in all fairness, we are using Mr. Radian here to give an assist to our 10-year-old tired golf cart, undersized for this application batteries. If you're running a 15 kilowatt inverter, you need batteries a lot bigger than that. And again, these were commissioned in 2012. They're tired. So for a little current and a little voltage assist to make the fight fair, yeah. I will do this again without the Radian, just for fun. So look for that video also. B17 versus real air compressor. B17 just laughs. Ah, she just shut down. As you can see, at about 125 pounds roughly, so not quite 130. Although, depends on which gauge you want to believe. This one's reading about 130. I might trust that one more than this. Actually, this one's on my regulator, so ignore it. 130 PSI, B17 kicks butt.